And tonight, an accused killer is out of jail and a family is left blindsided after a judge dismissed a murder charge under the state's Stand Your Ground law. Good evening. I'm Martha Sigalski. Rafael Villaverde was arrested and charged after two brothers were killed at the Heritage Hotel on South Orange Blossom Trail back in the summer of 2022. At the time, deputies said Villaverde traded gunfire with one of the brothers, Dylan Jimenez, and they shot the other brother, Brian Richardson, when deputies say he refused to drop a gun he was holding. Our Nick Papantones covered the shooting on that day last year, and he's live to explain why the judge ruled this is a stand your ground case. And Nick, the mother of those brothers, says the judge is getting the facts wrong.
That family told me they were blindsided by this decision. They knew it was being considered, but they believed it wouldn't hold up because they say Jimenez, who opened fire first, was acting in self-defense.
It's like a domino effect, and it just keeps going downhill and downhill.
Ada Blaker chose to speak next to the urns containing Dylan Jimenez and Brian Richardson's ashes.
That's Dylan. Beside him is Brian.
Her two sons killed by different people at the Heritage Hotel last August. Prosecutors say Jimenez got into an argument with Rafael Villaverde and was killed in a gunfight between the two.
He has a gun in his hand pointing at people. No, stop. Drop it, drop it.
Richardson was fatally shot by deputies responding to the scene. Villaverde was charged with Jimenez's murder, but a judge tossed the case Thursday, ruling Villaverde legally shot in self-defense under Florida's Stand Your Ground law. Villaverde's attorney says it's the right call.
He was standing outside of his home. His family was inside. While he's looking to his left, talking to one of the brothers, the other brother is ambushing him from the right side.
Although both Jimenez and Villaverde opened fire, the judge's order laid out his reasons for accepting the Stand Your Ground defense, primarily the fact that Jimenez shot first. Prosecutors claimed Villaverde provoked the situation by arguing with and following Jimenez, meaning Stand Your Ground shouldn't apply. The judge batted that down, saying the state couldn't prove it, and Villaverde was left with no choice once Jimenez opened fire, which Stand Your Ground allows for even when you've started it. Blaker says the judge should have put more weight into the fact that Villaverde was openly carrying a gun all along.
They had went to get something to eat. They didn't come there that day to do that to Rafael or to jump him or anything. He was the one waiting for them.
Both sides are making their case based on a surveillance tape WFTV has not yet seen. Villaverde's team says it shows the brothers ambushing their client. Blaker says it proves her sons were standing their ground.
If you're being chased with a gun, and somebody retches a gun behind you, meaning cocks a gun behind you, and you hear it, I think you should have the right to turn around and fire. You know, I don't think you should allow that person to just chase you down and gun you down.
Blaker also claims Villaverde attacked Jimenez the day before the shooting. She is suing the property and is planning to file a lawsuit against the Orange County Sheriff's Office.